Hello guys, I hope you all are good and everything is good. So today our topic is how to change Imvu room or penthouse or make it default room. So first of all, please like and subscribe. So you need to go and log in your profile in your client, then click on this house icon. After clicking on it, as you can see your rooms, you can easily click on the room and change your room. So here you can see my room is loading. So my room is changed now. as you can as you can see my room is changed. Go to your room icon which you want to make it default. Here is a button on the icon of room. Click on that. Then there you can see set as default button. You can click on set as default and make this default room. So when you will come to your private room, this room will be loaded by default. So this is all. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe and hit the subscribe button and support me.